Have you ever thought about this? What if Earth wasn't blue? What if all the oceans turned into giant mirrors? No water anywhere, just shiny glass everywhere you look. Would the sun burn us alive? Would it ever rain again? Could humans even survive? It sounds crazy, right? But the answers might shock you. Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to discover will blow your mind. Imagine this. One night, every ocean on Earth turns into a giant mirror. The Pacific looks like polished silver. The Atlantic, a huge blinding glass sheet. From space, Earth wouldn't look blue anymore. It would shine like a glowing disco ball, bouncing sunlight back into space. But down here, daytime would be a nightmare. The sun's heat and light would double, maybe triple. Sunburns in minutes. Forget snow blindness. Now it's mirror blindness. You'd need sunglasses as thick as welding masks just to go near the coast. And the heat? It would go way, way up. But here's the thing. Oceans aren't just beautiful. They protect us. They soak up heat during the day and release it slowly at night. No oceans? Scorching heat by noon, freezing cold by midnight, and the water cycle? Gone. No oceans, no evaporation, no clouds, no rain. Rivers dry up. Forests catch fire. Animals and plants start disappearing fast. In just a few months, Earth would turn into a hot, cracked, lifeless mirror. Now think about this. Coral reefs? Dead. Fish? All gone. Everything that lived in the oceans? Extinct. People living near the coast? They'd either escape or die from heat and no water. Daylight would be so bright, people might have to live underground. Plants would dry out. Animals that need water? Gone. And slowly, the food chain would collapse, piece by piece. And here's a shocking twist. All that sunlight bouncing off the mirrors, it could start cooling the Earth. Over time. Crazy, right? At first, we burn, but later, Earth could freeze. A cold, silent, glowing world. Satellites, blinded by the glare. Astronauts, they'd need shields just to look at Earth. And solar panels? They might overload or stop working completely. Could we survive on Mirror Earth? Maybe. In underground bunkers with fake lakes, weather controlled by machines, and special mirror suits just to go outside. It would feel like a sci-fi nightmare. You'd never see stars again. The ground would shine too bright. No oceans, no waves, no tides, just endless sunlight. And a planet reflecting a sun we'd learn to fear. So next time you look at the ocean, remember, it's not just water. It's life. It's balance. It's what keeps us safe. Be grateful that our Earth isn't made of mirrors. Want more twisted tales of what might happen? Subscribe now and share your next idea in the comments.